What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance to KuCoin. Now, for those people who do not know Binance and KuCoin are crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it's pretty safe and secure as well. So if you guys also want to sign up into these tools, then I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to sign up into Binance and Coinbase and get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, Tether is a stable coin whose value is equivalent to $1. So 1 Tether equals to $1 and it's always going to remain $1. That's why it's called a stable coin. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's get right into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to KuCoin, and where it says, your assets over here, click on it. And once you click on assets, what you want to do is you want to go on the deposit section over here. And once you go on the deposit section, what you want to do is you want to choose which crypto you want to deposit. So for us, it's Tether. So I'm going to click on USDT. So Tether is also known as USDT over here. And over here, you can choose the network. I will choose TRC20 because it's the cheapest network, and copy the wallet address. After I do that, I'll come back to Binance and go on wallet and then go on overview. Now, once I go on wallet and then overview, what you want to do is you want to go on versus withdraw over here. Now, after you go on withdraw, over here, it's going to be Bitcoin by default. So make sure to change it to USDT, which is also known as Tether. And where it says address, paste the address which you copied from your KuCoin. You can choose whichever network you want to transfer your, Tether. And after choosing the network, over here, enter the amount of, Tether you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. Once you do that, that amount of Tether will be transferred from Binance to KuCoin. So hope you guys understand this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.